Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips to Dave. And today's video on how to make $1,000 per month, we are going to be looking at Systeme.io yearly review because I'm spend this entire year documenting my journey on, working affiliate marketing on the side, using the tools. And if you guys don't know my just the whole pattern that I, function on this channel is that every Monday I talk about cash flow. Every Wednesday that you're watching this video today, I talk about the tools, the automation and stuff like that that's there in my business. And then on Friday, we speak about the strategy itself and how you can get started. So I'm going to jump onto my screen right now and I just give you a very honest review on Systeme.io, how it has been for me, what I've done with the tool so far. So if you are deciding to start with Systeme.io or even figure out what it is it a good funnel builder? Is it good for email marketing? What is it for you that makes sense to get started with Systeme.io? So that being said, I'm going to hop onto my computer, share with you guys a little bit more and cover everything. Awesome, guys. Here I am on my laptop. And before I go ahead and share with you about Systeme.io, I just want to talk to you about a strategy that I follow. But as I said before, welcome to the channel. If you're here for the first time, we speak about skills that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true, and specifically with affiliate marketing. And I am an affiliate marketer in the internet marketing space or online marketing space, as you wish and want to call it. That's up to you. Make money online space, whatever you want to call it. That's the affiliate marketer that I am. Now, I realistically share with you guys skill sets that help you first and foremost generate a cash flow for yourself and then build a long-term foundation for your business, for your affiliate marketing journey that you can, hands-free work at the end of the day. It does take work. It does take effort. I'm not saying that you are guaranteed results because I'm not anybody and nobody should be guaranteeing you results. Every single result that you get is based on your effort and your action that you take. So make sure that you do understand that mentally before you get started in anything that you do. That being said, because of my successes, because of my failures in the past, I decided to, create this strategy at the beginning of this year. I put it into practice and I, started using the strategy. I still use this strategy. I'm not going to stop using this strategy because it just makes sense for me for two reasons. One is I am doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle, guys. I do have a full-time job and I am an employee and everything else, but I want to spend my time outside work of, just enjoying my life. So that's why I personally have affiliate marketing to the least amount of time possible, but with the maximum amount of results, and also being very strict with myself and not, jumping into one thing and just going with the hype, but realistically building this entire business. So this strategy is very focused on that. The first step is cash flow. The second step is the automation, the asset building, the foundation. Now, in order for me to build that entire second step, as you can see right there, which is purely based on two things. Actually, this whole strategy is based on two skill sets: advertising and copywriting. Advertising is knowing how to, get leads and get leads to your offer, get eyeballs to your offer, get people to your offer. And then the second one is copywriting, which you are doing in your landing pages, in your bridge pages, in your emails. If you create a course of your own, all of these things combined are all in copywriting. So these are the two skill sets that we focus on. And I personally got started with Systeme.io for step number 2. It's the foundation. So let me give you a little bit of a backstory why I jumped into Systeme.io. I don't know if this is the first funnel builder that you're looking into. I don't know if it is the second, the third, or if you used something in the past. But there are tools like ClickFunnels. There are tools like, you name it out there, actually. ClickFunnels, Online Sales Pro, you have Power Lead Systems, you have Leads Leap, you have GrooveFunnels, you have Lead Pages. There are so many tools out there that can help you with this software. A lot of the times it costs quite a bit. Now, just to give you guys an example, I'm going to go to Lead Pages just to show you guys. If I go to Lead Pages right here, you'll see that it is a company that, exists. It's an amazing company, by the way. Without a shadow of a doubt, but I want to show you guys the pricing that's there so you understand. So with Lead Pages, you'll pay $37 a month. Okay, that's what you're going to pay with lead pages. With ClickFunnels, it's even more. With ClickFunnels, it's $147 a month, if I'm not mistaken. On the yearly plan, it's $127. But you get, if I go to the pricing right here, you will see that it is this is the annual. So let's look at the monthly. The price is $147 per month. So it can be pretty costly. And in fact, before I was spending this amount plus an email autoresponder to run my business. So it was costing me about $200 a month just with those two tools. So those are other funnel builders out there. They exist. They're good. You should be getting them. But if you're getting started as a new affiliate marketer, if you're doing this on the side and you're following the strategy that I'm saying, then obviously one of the main things that caught my attention about Systeme.io in itself is the pricing. So I want to cover the pricing in the first place before we go to the features and give you an overview. So the pricing is that it's free up to 2,000 contacts. Yes, that's true. It's free. And it has unlimited emails that you can send, 3 sales funnels, 15 steps. So it's valuable at a free level. And in fact, I started at the free level, and now I'm going to go to the startup and then move on further. But I guess I will get started first and foremost with the startup myself and then move on to the next ones as well. But even the unlimited plan right here is cheaper than the basic one in ClickFunnels. I don't know which one. Yeah, so this is yearly. So let's look at the daily. So let's say if you go for the pro in lead pages, which is not, unlimited, but you go for the pro, you're spending $100 there, and it's also limited quite here. If you go to the unlimited advanced, it's going to cost you, it's special needs. So it's not going to cost you, it's really up to special needs here. So it's quite an interesting way they've done their pricing elements and stuff like that. But as I said, lead pages is one of the top ones. Also, ClickFunnels is one of the top ones out there. And Systeme.io is getting to that level of, I think it's already at the top ones, but it's definitely one of the fastest growing companies in Europe, technical companies in Europe. So that's quite nice to have. And it's still at a good price. And the marketer itself, Systeme.io marketer itself, the owner itself started this opportunity because he didn't want you to have 3 or 4 tools related to that. That being said, this is why I think it's important. So Systeme.io is kind of a one-stop shop. For me personally, it was a one-stop shop. Before, I had ClickFunnels, I had Aweber, or I had GetResponse, either one, but both of them cost the same thing. As I get more emails on it, I pay more, and so on and so forth. So these are the two main things that I needed. And obviously I needed a domain and stuff like that. Here, yes, you still need a domain and things like that, but you do not need an email autoresponder, for example. Well, why do I say you do not need it? Because this platform itself has an email marketing setup. You can send unlimited emails, unlimited campaigns. It's so simple to send broadcasts, so simple to send newsletters, so simple to send, create a campaign itself and everything else. So this tool, personally, I used it first to build a sales funnel and an email marketing campaign. This is the 2 things that I used it for. Let me just go ahead and do this, but these are the 2 things that I personally used it for. So I used it for sales funnel and I use it for email marketing. This is the first 2 things that I primarily used it for. Then secondly, let me just actually remove that. Then secondly, what I used it for after that was specifically, let me just, exit here, go down. Yeah, then I used it to build a blog, which I'm not actively using. So I need to make sure that I use it to build a blog though, just to get some information. And now I have used it also to create online courses. So that being said, since I've reached this point, in 1 year that I'm using this product, I have 4 things implemented that make sense for free. The sales funnel. So it's this second step right here. As I share, it is this second step here, the sales funnel. So the landing page, a bridge page going to an offer, not an offer that I own, but going to an offer. That's the first thing. Then I had an email campaign for that sales funnel. Then I created a blog. Actually, let me just, out of pure interest, I will show you guys. This is the blog that I have set up. Okay, so this is my blog, and you can see right here, everything else is there. It was created with Systeme.io. You can go to about and see it right here as well, and so on and so forth. And then if you go to blog posts, you'll see it right here, right? And then if you go to tools, you'll see it also, what I'm using, and so on and so forth. So this is a blog that I have, it's a basic blog, as you can see right here, but it's something that I consistently use actually with my email marketing. So this is something that's there, blogs, okay, just to give you guys an idea. And then finally, I have a course. Now the course that I have, you can find in the description of this video. The course basically it's €1, by the way, just letting you know. It costs you €1 if you want to get started and you want to see the strategy. So having this entire strategy in place, plus I give you a bonus, a free funnel itself. So you get an absolutely free funnel from this course, and you will be able to use it and start to generate your affiliate marketing journey, follow the strategy. Everything is explained in the course. So I'm not going to go into detail. Well, honestly, it should cost at least $50, but it costs €1 because I wanted to give it and have access for as many people as possible. So that's one thing that I wanted to share with you. And all of these things in 1 year. Why? Because I'm following a specific strategy, guys. It's not like I'm just randomly doing things. I'm following phases of affiliate marketing. I'm doing them within a specific time frame and strategy that is explained in the course below. So that's something that you can definitely check out. And as I said, it costs you just literally zero, nothing to get started with Systeme.io. So I'm going to sign in and show you guys my account so you see it. Over time, if I just go to emails and go to statistics, just to show you, I've sent 18,000 emails just in this last couple of months. But just for our purpose, let's go to all time and show you guys a little bit of all time. So that means basically since February, you can see right here till December, I've sent over, and let's wait for it, 91,000 emails because of this strategy. So I'm using it very strongly, as I said, for my emails. And I've had a funnel in place. In my funnel, the landing page will give you the best results. So let's just go to stats right here. And I'm going to go to dates, and I'm going to do the all time, and I'm going to apply. So you will see that my funnel has had over 12,505 visitors and over 2,670 people actually opted in. Now, my emails right now, my current list that I have is not 2,672. Otherwise, I would already be paying for the startup plan. But because I have actually, eliminated all the emails that don't make sense, I've cleaned my list. I'm creating the right foundations for my business. I want people to be on my list who need to be on my list. I don't want random people to be on my list. So that's the whole thing, right? I want them to be interested in what I have to share, what I have to offer, and everything else. So that's there. The other thing that you can see on this page, which shows like, 8 euros, is just because I just launched this course this month. So at the end of the month, after an entire year of using it, I decided, and documenting my journey, I decided to make a course and share this strategy with everybody. And that's exactly the amount, the revenue that I made. This is just starting, guys. It's not something that I'm promoting heavily. It's on the side and everything else. So that is what I wanted to show you. Now, additionally, I have earned some commissions, and I'm going to go over here also and click on all time. So as an affiliate to Systeme.io, I've earned about $30, almost actually $29.60 in commissions so far. And I have, let me scroll down a second. I don't want to show you all the names and stuff like that, but I have about 12 freemium registrations, which mean people who have not gone to the paid plans, but they are using Systeme.io for free. Okay, this is how I'm doing it. This is what I'm using. I'm just showing you everything transparently. The funnel builder, I built 2 funnels. One is a free funnel for you guys. One is a funnel that I built for myself with a very structured approach, very simple approach, which can focus on conversions. I do have a lot of newsletters that I send. So these newsletters are converting really well in terms of open rates, in terms of everything. I have a campaign which has over 36 emails at the moment. And as you can see, it's a 40% open rate on the front end. So I'm very happy with the progress that this is doing. And first and foremost, it is giving me the right foundations for years to come. Is Systeme.io worth it for you? Is it easy to get started? Is it not? Systeme.io, guys, is at the end of the day a software, a tool that you can implement in your business. If you have you're an advanced marketer and you want to implement the API, which is basically a way to communicate between your website and Systeme.io, you can do that as well. There are a lot of automations in place that are available, and you can have products, physical products, coupons, courses. You can have your own affiliate program. So it has a lot of advanced features, but it also has a very good funnel builder and email marketer in itself. Is it worth it for you? That's something that you have to ask yourself. And whether you want to get started is also something that you have to ask yourself. But is it in line with ClickFunnels? 100%. Just to show you guys, I'm just going to show you very frankly. I have this page right here. Let's just show you the thank you page. I made a concise, thank you page, which is basically a sales page, has a training here, has the offer, has some proof, everything that's there, and then you click and get it. So it has even like, the discount timer because it's needed sometimes for your sales and everything else, all built within Systeme.io. And it took me like seconds to build it. This is what I'm giving you guys for free, by the way. Then I have also my traffic sources and other things that are in place. If I go back to funnels, I'm going to show you the land. So the VSL for my funnel, for my course, is just this simple. is literally a video and me. I'm keeping things real, I'm keeping things simple, and that convert at the end of the day. Okay, then they go to the order form. Let me show you guys the order form. The order form looks like this: simple, continue, make the payment. That's it. That's what they're getting. They have everything right here, all the information that's available. And then they have a thank you page. What is a thank you page? The thank you page basically gives them a little bit of information from my side, and then again the proof right here. And if they want to get the full course, they can get the full course there. So all of this combined doesn't make sense to have 100%. For the cost that it's available, guys, it's up to you which plan you want to get. But either way, this is the monthly. And just to show you guys, on the yearly, you're actually saving 30%. So if I were you and I was already an advanced marketer and I already had a list of, let's say, over 5,000 people, then I would pick a yearly plan and just pay $228 a year, which I will leave, by the way, below in case you need it, and and get started. If not, it's really up to you. Migration of these courses are very much possible. I want to just hop on to Facebook for a second, and I'm just going to go to this page right here, which is the group. Okay, and we're going to be looking just to show you guys, this is the main group that they have, but you can see people are making a lot of income, also sales from Systeme.io itself. They've built amazing funnels. They have built funnels for coaching, for Christmas funnels. This is the dashboard. Look at this. Lifetime earnings of 32,850. Guys, these testimonials are not made up. These are real lifetime value trainings. People are earning from it. They're editing it. They're getting free training over here. This community is very helpful. We have over 100,000 people, almost 100,000 people in this community, and is growing. So why not get started? Is up to you to make that choice. If you want, again, a guide and everything else to affiliate marketing as a whole, there is in the description. But otherwise, this is my Systeme.io yearly overview. I will be doing another one next year to tell you what happened in the second year of using Systeme.io. But this is the first one. I'm super excited to share with you guys the rest in next year. And I hope you do subscribe and hit that bell notification for future videos on automation. We will get into this entire strategy next year. Clearly on the automations, we'll have more videos, more training for you guys. This has just been an overview video. So is Systeme.io good for you or not? That's a decision you need to make. If you are, links are below. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.